Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. Yes, I am doing a voiceover because I've been requested to do more voiceovers. I do, bear with me though, my son is awake and this is the reason why I don't do voiceovers. So if you guys do hear little like toys playing around in the back, it's because my baby is playing. Yes, you guys can hear him. He's talking. You can, hi, say hi. Anyways, don't forget to like this video and don't forget to subscribe if you're a new subscriber.
Have you ever felt? Are you listening? Damn.
Okay, so first off, I'm gonna do an eyeshadow base. This will hold the eyeshadow in place, and I'm using the NYX. So I do place this all over my eyelid, and under my eyelid as well. Well, not under my eyelid, but as you can see right there. And here is the Sheenexo, the Remix palette. Oh my gosh, I can't stop using this palette. It is amazing. And I am using the shade Bestie. Now, you guys got to make sure you guys do blend this color out. Next up is, oh, I couldn't even see that. I think it's the shade Creed. I'm not too sure. And we're going to use this right on the crease. In most of the video, you guys will see me doing some expressions, and my mouth, of course, is moving a bit because I am talking to my hubby. He is the one that helps me out with my son when I'm doing makeup tutorials. So, thank him in the comments below. Next up is another shade, which I could not see. I'm so sorry, you guys. And we are also putting that above that shade to add a little bit more solid color onto that crease. Now we are going back with that NYX, and we are going to make a clean outline for that red that we're going to use, that red pinkish red shade. And I get asked a lot how to find your crease. All you have to do is look up a little and you will see a little crease in your eyelid. We are going to dab the eyeshadow onto the eyelid. This is to help it stay in place. So, yes. Now we're going to blend that shade we just used with the rest of the other colors we used at the beginning, so it won't look too harsh. And we're going to go back with that dark shade to add it to like what's that word, to blend out the colors. Remember this, blending is key in all makeup. If you don't blend, a lot of the colors will look very harsh. Now we're going to use that little rosy color right under the under eye. And do be careful not to poke your eye out. And sometimes this will be very uncomfortable also placing under your under eye. Oh, we're also going to use that color right there too, so we can add a little bit of warmth to the color. Now we're going to use that NYX Pure White eyeliner pencil for the waterline. This is to help your eyes look much more bigger. And now we're using the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner, which is my favorite because now my once long ago favorite liquid eyeliner was from NYC, but they discontinued it. Only thing you can do is buy it online, and I'm not going to be buying them online. So I replaced it with the NYX Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Now we're going to curl our eyelashes. And as you guys can see, I forgot something. And that is to add a little shimmer to the tear duct. This also helps brighten your eye out more for more of a wide awake look. And we're using the CoverGirl's Waterproof Show Lashy Mascara, which is my second favorite mascara in the world. And the lashes. I get a lot of comments and a lot of people who message me on Instagram on how to apply lashes. So I thought I'd put this in. Maybe it could help you guys out just a tiny bit. I don't know. Now we're going to use the Wet n Wild gel lip liner crayon and Plum Together. These are my favorite lip liners. I'm serious. They're so smooth. I love the way they feel. You can also use these just by themselves without lipstick. They're so smooth. And of course, I forgot to add moisturizer. You guys always add moisturizer before putting any kind of lip liner or lipstick on to keep your lips very smooth. Now we're using the Revlon Ultra HD matte lip color. And I can't remember the name of the lip color. I'll have to put this in the description down below. If you guys ever need to remember or go back and see what products I use, I do put them down below. And that's it, you guys. Thank you for watching. I do hope you guys enjoy, and I'm so sorry that this was late. I was feeling very sick during Valentine's, so it's a late Valentine's look. Have a great February. Bye.
Less and enjoy more. I have some rice and a little bit of salt.